Yo, 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 we still at it. We're welding now. I'll show you guys. Welding the primary, or the collector on the driver's side now. Already got the passenger side done, but I'm getting better. I think I'm starting to figure it out. But on the passenger side, whenever there would be a hole, I would just try to patch it. I would go over and patch it, but it's definitely not the best work in the world. But for me, this is good right now. And once I do get better at welding, I will redo the exhaust. But for now, this is decent. You know, it's most likely not going to leak. Surely. Pretty good. I mean, the rest of it's ugly, but it's not bad. Just keep going around and make sure we get everything. You got a bite? What? It's been a minute since I recorded, but I think we're about halfway there. Gotta weld this in now. I'm gonna tack it first. I got from the headers down to the X-pipe welded. Or actually, no, I need to weld it to the X-pipe as well. Then I need to bring it out and weld everything else. So, got quite a bit left. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are on the last leg. We had it all mocked up in the car, packed it up. Now it's time to finalize. So let's get after it. finished it, and we ran out of wire right at the same time, so this is it. Still need to add O2 bungs, but we can do that later. So that's that.